Elizabeth Woodward. I'm the current president of the KyCPA. I'm the director of forensic accounting at Dean Dorton. It wasn't really part of my initial career plan. My undergraduate degree is in philosophy, and so I worked for a few years and then went to the University of Kentucky to get my MBA. I was concentrating in accounting and intended to get out and get a job with a manufacturing facility. And so just while I was in school, a teacher said in passing, why don't you become a CPA? And so he described it that I would go into public accounting for a couple of years, get certified, and then I could leave and go out into industry. But I took the first part of his advice, but not the second. I found that I liked public accounting very much, so that was in the early 90s, and I'm still here. I like the diversity of projects. I like working with smart people, and I like working with smart clients. And it's, every year, I don't know at the beginning of the year exactly what I'm going to be doing every month or every week, and I enjoy that. My first experience as a volunteer was as an instructor. I am a certified fraud examiner, and so I was asked to speak at different conferences on fraud prevention and detection. And then when the state board, I don't remember the year, but the State Board of Accountancy in Kentucky changed our rules to require a 2-hour professional ethics class every 2 years. And so I mentioned that my undergraduate degree was in philosophy, and I focused in ethics, so I have a real interest in it. And I developed a 2-hour class to teach at my firm. And so when the then executive director of the KyCPA heard through the grapevine that I was teaching a class at my firm, she asked if I would teach for the KyCPA, and so I did. And then after that, I guess I was asked to chair the professional ethics committee and really enjoyed that, and then was asked to be on the board. Well, my firm believes in supporting the KyCPA, and so we actually pay for dues and request that every CPA at our firm be a member. And so that's the backdrop for why I became a member and am a member. But I can tell you that if I were to leave the firm, or if the firm changed the policy, I would remain a member of the KyCPA. I think it's important, and I get a lot of personal satisfaction through my association with the society. I'm lucky enough as president of the KyCPA to get to work with the AICPA. I've been a member of the governing council for the last year, and so I'm able to see firsthand all of the effort putting into understanding, anticipating, and preparing for the change that our profession is going to face. We know with artificial intelligence and data analytics that our profession is changing dramatically, and I think for the firms, for our members in Kentucky, particularly those at small and medium-sized firms, they need the support of the Kentucky society to stay connected to those changes, to know what's going on, and to know what resources are being developed to help them. Well, I think just be involved, come to CPE, and we offer the KyCPA offers a lot of great CPE, both online that you can do from your office, but also from here at the Gratzer Center. We have a great facility, and so I would encourage you, if you can, come in person or attend one of our conferences, which might be off-site. Come, and to the extent you can, network with other professionals and with employees of the KyCPA while you're at training. I think those are relationships that you'll benefit from. Also, if you're so inclined, offer to teach a class or to write an article for the journal or for our website. You might consider a donation to the PAC or to the Kentucky, the foundation, which gives scholarships to students and helps kind of build our pipeline and helps us all give back to the profession that has given us so much. How is just get on the website and poke around and see what you're interested in. There's different CPE opportunities to write, opportunities to volunteer your time. You can join a committee, or you can just help a committee. I came last weekend to a leadership development class for college students, and so there was a committee of CPAs and members who put that together. They work all year to put it together, but then they needed a couple handfuls of people to come and do mock interviews with students or to speak about different attributes of the career to help prepare those college students for getting out of school.